You are seeing so many young people, this incredible demographic. And finally, you are seeing reforms that are letting corporate India do its job. So I think the decade is amazing. You will have ups and downs in the decade, but as long as companies continue to perform, and the message to investors is in all this: remain balanced. Don't do stupid things. So I've gone viral a little bit for using this concept of dal chawal investing, and I really think dal chawal is a pretty, if on your portfolio, your investing portfolio, you largely stick to dal chawal, which is instruments that give you exposure to broad-based Indian equities over 5-10 years, you will not be disappointed. Now, if your diet becomes too pickle and chutney oriented, and I can tell you what pickle and chutney is, then you will start having indigestion. So stick to dal chawal. Dal chawal is all weather simple products that give you broad based exposure to Indian equity markets. Let me give you some examples. A simple fund that holds the top 250 companies in India is a Dal Chawal fund. It is something I could recommend to my mother in law. It is something I could recommend to my boss. It is something I could do for my child. In fact, we have one fund in our basket which is exactly this. I call it the mother in law safe fund. If it's safe for the mother in law, it is safe for everybody, right? So, Dal Chawal is a multi cap fund, Dal Chawal is a flexi cap fund. These are all very basic things where over 10 years, if corporate profits grow at 15-18%, this fund will also grow at 15-18%. So, you're good. Now, what's pickle and chutney? Pickle and chutney, and there are different kinds of pickle. Pickle and chutney is buying micro cap funds when the market has run up this much. It's buying funds in sectors, let me not name them, where the multiple is 100 times and they are very, very narrow sectors. That's very pickle and chutney. There's a, what I call super pickle. What do you call it? There's a Bhoot Jolakia equivalent pickle, which is buying SME IPOs. And there's one more super jalapeno that is buying FNO. So stay away from pickle and chutney.